Code and Corners, Code and Corners, Code and Corners.
Hello and welcome to episode 6 of creating our motorcycle app. It works on my phone. Just a reminder of timelines. We're now at episode 6. There's 5 episodes out. Please go and check them out in the same playlist. And a quick reminder of our end goal of this series. You've got me or you on your motorcycle that'll press a physical button, point to our app, that'll send a notification to someone else, and that'll make them very happy. In today's episode, we're going to be doing 4 things. It's quite jam-packed. We're going to be creating our first GitHub repo. We're going to be uploading our code to that repo. We're going to be publishing our repo as a website, and then we're going to be actually testing it on our mobile device. On to the first goal, we're going to be creating our GitHub repo. You're going to want to navigate to github.com, make sure you're signed in. I've clicked my profile icon top right and navigated to repositories. There's other ways to get to this page. Once you're on there, you'll see that there is a green button called New. Quite straightforward. Once you've clicked that button, you're going to see a screen like this. Type in your repository name, call it whatever you want. Don't check any other options, although we'll want to README at a later stage. We don't want to do it now, and click Create a Repository. Next, we're going to be uploading your first iteration code to that repository in Visual Studio. Go to the top, Terminal, New Terminal. That should open up a terminal window in the right folder location. We're then going to go back to GitHub, and you'll see that it recommends running some commands. We're not going to run all of them, but we're going to run a sequential set of commands. Git init, I'll put these commands on the screen. And then we're not going to run that command it recommends. We're actually going to run a status command initially to show you what we're about to push up. There is a file that it'll include. Don't worry about that. It's just a hidden file, some metadata. We want to upload every file to GitHub. So we're going to run git add dot. Then run git status. You'll see that it has added all of those files ready to be committed. We're then going to run our commit message. You can put whatever you want in the commit message. There's some other commands that you need to run. Word for word, this is based on what is in your GitHub repo, not mine. So I'm just running them there, I'm copying them over and running them. And the final command should push your code up to your repo. After a refresh in the browser, there it is. Now we're going to be making our code a website. You're going to want to be in your repo like this and go to Settings. Leading on from that to the left, you're going to want to select the option Pages. You're then going to want to make sure that these options are selected: Main, Deploy from Branch, and then you'll see that I'm changing this option here to Docs. Remember we created that Docs folder? You can see at the top something will have changed. Your website is now live. A GitHub action, which I'm clicking here, has deployed your site to that URL. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, installing it onto your phone. That same URL that you saw in the previous slide, we are now navigating to it on our phone in a browser. You can see that our website there is displayed. This might look slightly different for Android, but I'll put those instructions on the screen. We're going to hit that button in the top right-hand corner there. That's going to bring us to a menu where we have to scroll down and click Add to Home Screen. On this page, you're seeing information pulled from our manifest file. I'm going to put some arrows on the screen. You're going to click that tick, and now that app has been added to your home screen. I can now click on that icon, and lo and behold, there is my app. I'll leave this up to you. Put your phone on flight mode, close the app, open it up again. You should see your content still there. How amazing. What a jam-packed episode. You've created your public GitHub repo. You've got your code into that GitHub repo. You've published your code as a website. You've installed that website as an app on your phone, and you've tested it, hopefully online and offline. And in the next episode, we're going to be creating a feature to create that notification message for your loved one and actually saving it into the app's cache so you could close the app, reopen it, and still see it there. Thank you for watching.